How to turn on autoplay on Netflix. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on autoplay on Netflix. So let's get started. What you need to do is, of course, log into your Netflix account on your mobile phone or your PC, laptop, wherever you use Netflix. Now, once you are into your account, we will be able to turn on autoplay like I have. You can see the trailer is autoplaying. Similarly, the next episode autoplays in 5 seconds. So that's the setting that we want to do. What you have to do is, of course, open up your profile right here and go to manage profiles. Now we can turn on and turn off these settings in different profiles, and if you want to turn it off in some, you can go ahead and do that. If you want to turn on, then you can do that as well. So I will be turning on that in this profile right here. So click on this pencil icon, which is the edit icon, and then it will take you to some of the basic settings that we can do with our account. So here you can see we have autoplay control. So we have two options. First one is autoplay next episode in a series on all devices, autoplay previews while browsing on all devices. So this is our autoplay option on Netflix. Now let's say that it is unchecked for you. So to turn it on, of course, you will just check the boxes, and if it's checked, then that means it's going to be on and you have enabled the settings for autoplay. And now your next episode will autoplay also the previews and trailers. Click on save. Once you click on save, your settings will be saved for your autoplay, and now you can enjoy automatic Netflix and you can go ahead and watch new episodes without even touching the screen. You can get the previews of shows. You can see this one is also playing, which is an autoplay. Similarly, I can go ahead and now enjoy autoplay on Netflix. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to turn on autoplay on Netflix. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, turn on bell notification, leave a comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.